Ryan Leslie taught me $1 million skill, a skill that has helped me build a lucrative career and it has helped me help my clients make over 500 million in revenue. Ryan Leslie is a Harvard educated music producer, hip hop artist, investor, and tech entrepreneur. He is truly a visionary and ahead of his time. Ryan famously discovered Cassie Ventura, and that's around the time that I met them both. They even made a birthday video for BBOY Brisk, that's me. I used to breakdance to promote a birthday party I was throwing that year.
Time it is. Time for a birthday, y'all.
What's up? This is Cassie of Next Selection.
This is your boy Ryan Leslie representing Next Selection Lifestyle Group.
You gotta go check out my boy Brisk.
My homie Brisk.
Let's get his birthday party at Club Remix.
February 10th, Club Remix.
On February 10th, it's gonna be hot. I'm gonna be there.
We should all go and have a good time.
So you better be there.
You know how we get down, and that's for life. It's a lifestyle, y'all. Follow it every day.
I ran a video production company at the time called Footnote Films that graduated into Footnote Media Group, and I knew nothing about WordPress, but was down to learn and document my journey. Even though we all moved on from NS for Life, I still retained my WordPress skills. Huge shout out to Ryan Leslie because I now run $1 million growth marketing consultancy called Growth Skills that uses WordPress to build websites and generate millions of dollars for our clients. We built flavorfix.com on WordPress and already made over $500,000 from it with the ambition of turning it into a $1 billion brand. I've paid Ryan's gift forward and have taught hundreds of people how to use WordPress so they too can have an incredible career. Learning this skill is lucrative because WordPress powers 30% of websites on the internet. So sites like Time Magazine, Rolling Stone Magazine, and Moneylion.com are all built on WordPress. That means if you know how to use WordPress, you'll have an easier time finding a job where you can make 6 figures working for companies like these. I've done it, I'm the proof, and I'm just a normal dude. There are 3 lessons here. 1, be open to learning. You should be open to learning new things because you never know when they will come in handy. 2, learn from whoever. You should be open to learning from whoever. I met Ryan Leslie through his music. I was watching him make beats and filming him. I would have never thought that Ryan Leslie would teach me to use technology like WordPress. But I was open to it. Take action. Learn WordPress and take that skill to the bank to feed your family. Leave NS for Life in the comments and I'll give you free access to the new WordPress course I'm launching. The course gives you a step-by-step guide on how to build your own website on WordPress and how to optimize it for search engines like Google so you can rank for free. Thank you so much, Ryan. Remember, growth is intentional. I'm rooting for you.